Compact mechanical keyboards are quite popular nowadays as they exclude any and all unnecessary keys to become minimal. Some of them are equipped with premium Gatron switches and come pre-lubed for the satisfying keystroke talks. The only problem here is that finding a decent one can be quite a challenge as there are tons of them available online. The KEMOVE Shadow mechanical keyboard in this arena is a handsome looking premium keyboard that really caught our eyes. It's a 60% gaming keyboard that features hot swappable switches and double-shot PBT keycaps. We were fortunate enough to get our hands on one of these, and we will be unboxing, testing and reviewing to find out whether it is as good as it looks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews like this. So, let's get started. KEMOVE has done an amazing job in packaging this keyboard as it feels premium straight away. On the side here, we can see this keyboard comes with Gatron switches, which are the low profile ones that are perfect for gamers. On the bottom, we get to see the perks that come along with this keyboard, including a Type-C connection, RGB lighting, anti-ghosting feature, double-shot PBT keycaps, and a couple of added perks. Taking the hood right off, we get to see the keyboard itself enclosed inside of a plastic cover. Just alongside it, we have 3 extra switches which we will be testing out later in this video. Let's take the cover off, and there you have it, KEMOVE Shadow in its full glory. Additionally, we have a USB-C to USB-A angle cable that is pretty high quality and some tools for pulling out the keycaps. Design-wise, this keyboard is really impressive. It maintains a high-profile design language where the switches stay hidden, unlike those floating ones on most mechanical keyboards. This makes it ideal for everyday carry in your backpack without the keycaps lodging out of place. Underneath it, we have adjustable kickstands and rubberized feet for tweaking the angle. Honestly, it won't be necessary as the keyboard naturally has a great angle right out of the box. On the rear end, we have the USB-C port and 2 dedicated switches. KEMOVE Shadow is a multi-platform keyboard with compatibility for both Mac and Windows. To switch between them, all you have to do is flick the switch. The other switch is dedicated to turning the RGB effect on or off. Let's turn it on and cycle through the effects. Among all the effects of this keyboard, the coolest one is a WASD backlighting that will assist you while playing games in the dark. KEMOVE Shadow is available with a wide variety of Gatron switch options that includes Gatron Black, Blue, Brown, Red, and Silver. The one we have right here is the Gatron Red, which has amazing tactile feedback and fast response time. As the switches come pre-lubed, the keystrokes feel satisfying to hear. We have also tested the additional switches that come with this keyboard, and honestly, the red version feels the most comfortable while gaming. As for the double-shot PBT keycaps, they have good textury vibe to them that is less likely to wear off in the long run. KEMOVE Shadow can be used in both wired and wireless modes. This versatile keyboard can be paired up with up to 3 devices through its Bluetooth 5.1 connection. In wireless mode, it did not have any noticeable latency and felt responsive while typing. Internally, it has been equipped with a 3000 mAh battery that kept the keyboard functional through an entire day of gaming. And if you prefer wired mode over wireless, just plug in the USB-C cable and you're good to go. After 1 week of gaming and writing content with this keyboard, we gotta say that it did live up to its potential. The keycap has a good grip with the fingers, while the Gatron wrist switches feel super responsive and make a satisfying noise. The RGB effects also are a nice touch that does more than just flashing. This mechanical gaming keyboard also comes in a white version that is branded as KEMOVE Snow Fox. You can go for either one of them depending on your personal preference or setup theme. So that was a review of the KEMOVE wireless gaming keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.